Hey friends, we're gonna draw a toilet monster.
Yeah, it's gonna be a lot of fun, and we hope you're gonna follow along because art is always better with
Friends.
Yeah, friends like you. You ready to start?
Yes.
We're first gonna put our markers off to the side and fold our paper because when it's folded up, it'll look like a toilet, a friendly toilet, and then when we open it, it'll turn into a monster. So we're gonna take the top edge of our paper, line it up with the bottom edge, and crease it down the middle and out to the corners. Then we're going to take the top flap and line it up with the top edge and then crease that down. Then we can flip our paper over and repeat that step. We'll line up the top edge and fold it down. This is just a guide fold, so once we've creased it, we can open it back up and flatten out that last fold. Then flip our paper back over, and when we're all done, it should open up at the top. Now we're ready to draw. We're going to use our markers, but you can use whatever you have, like a pencil or even a crayon. We're going to first draw the top of our toilet. We're going to start at the fold, and we're going to draw two lines coming up. So I'm going to leave some space, and then we'll draw another one coming up over here. And then let's draw the top of the toilet, or this is the back part of the toilet where all the water is stored. For the flushing. And then we're gonna draw the lid on the top. And then let's also draw the bottom of our toilet. We're gonna draw a big letter U that connects to the other side. That's the toilet bowl. Then let's draw the base of our toilet sticking out the bottom. And then we can connect this to, I'm going to actually add another little base to the bottom of the toilet, like this. So a little rectangle shape. I did that quickly, but you could also just connect it if you want to keep it simple. Yeah. And then, oh, I'm going to draw a little detail right here too. Little bolts holding it to the floor for extra stability. Then let's draw the lid for our toilet. I'm going to draw a line that's on top of the fold. We don't want to cross over to the bottom or below the fold. So we'll make sure that's on top. Yeah. And then let's add the lid. There's the toilet seat. Oh, and then we could add the lid on top of that to make it more realistic. Then we can draw the flusher sticking out to the side. And we need to draw the eyes. I'm going to draw two circles, but you could change your eyes. You could make them scarier. I want my eyes to look friendly when it's folded up, but then it's going to be scary when we open it. I'm going to draw the highlights or smaller circles in the top left, and then color in that big circle, but leave the little circles white. You could leave the eyes like this, or I'm going to draw another circle that goes around for the white part of the eye. And also kind of making my eyes look cross-eyed. There's our friendly toilet. I really like yours. It turned out awesome. Now let's open up our paper and we can flatten out the fold so it's easier to draw on. Now we're ready to draw the inside of our folding surprise. And everything we do on this part, we want to make sure it's below the top fold and above the bottom fold. That way, when our paper is folded up, it's completely hidden.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's start with the teeth. We're going to draw really sharp teeth. I'm going to draw, right in the middle, I'm going to draw a sharp W for, well, those are really, I'm going to keep going on this side to draw even more teeth sticking out out of the toilet. That's a lot of teeth. Yeah, you don't want to sit on this toilet. This one would be scary. So I got really sharp teeth sticking out. Now let's draw the bottom of our toilet monster. I'm going to extend the toilet bowl up a little higher on each side. Then we're going to draw the seat, the toilet seat. So first, we're going to draw the bottom, and we're going to use a lot of overlapping. So let's start here. I'm going to start on the side, And I'm going to draw another kind of U shape for the toilet seat. And it's okay, it doesn't connect. I'm going to extend that up on each side to connect it. Yes. Okay, now we're going to draw the teeth, and let's draw the inside of the toilet seat first. This is going to be one of my new favorite lessons. Drawing toilet monster. Okay, now let's draw the teeth. For the bottom, I'm going to draw the spikes just like we did for the top, except going the other direction. And I drew it going all the way to the edge of the toilet seat. Now let's draw the tongue coming out of the toilet. I'm going to draw it curving all the way over to the side. And make sure that you don't go past the fold. So we're going to start here, draw a big S curve. And then we're going to draw a pointy tongue. So we're going to start at the end. And then we'll get further away as we come down back into the toilet seat. Then we're going to imagine this curve right here for the seat. We're going to draw it going past the teeth and then coming and connecting to the tongue and coming out the other side and connecting over here to the other side. Then we could also add a little curve on the inside for the rest of the toilet seat. And if you have room, you could even add some water in there. Toilet water. I like that you have extra space over here. You could add a lot more water inside.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Oh, and we could also draw the little hinges on our toilet seat. So I'm going to draw a rectangle shape and a line going down the middle. This one's covered up by the tongue. And then let's draw the rest of the toilet coming down, connecting to the tongue and the toilet seat on both sides. Then let's also draw arms for our toilet monster. I'm going to draw one that comes up to the right. So we've got two lines coming up. Then let's give him a thumb. And then we're going to draw three more longer fingers. And I'm going to curve them like this so it looks like he's trying to come after you. He's going to get you. And then eat you. I do not want to get eaten by a toilet.
Me neither.
Let's draw another arm. I'm going to draw it coming down to the right, curving like this. And then we can draw the thumb maybe on this side. I'm going to go a little quicker since we're just repeating the same steps. There we go. And let's repeat those steps again for two more arms on the left side. But over here, we could use overlapping behind our tongue. And then we'll add those fingers. And we did it! We finished drawing our toilet monster. It looks really cool, except we still need to
Color it.
Yes, this part will fast forward, so pause the video and take extra time to color your drawings. Austin, we did it! We finished drawing and coloring our toilet monsters. They look awesome, but let's show our friends the inside.
Okay.
On a count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Flush. I'm not sure what toilet monsters sound like.
Yeah.
I like that we colored our hands and arms blue so they look like water or toilet water.
Yeah.
You could also change the colors and add even more things, like we added water droplets or splashes from the toilet.
I like that we colored our teeth green.
Yeah, you could also draw somebody getting eaten by the toilet or maybe running away.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing a toilet monster.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we hope you take extra time to color your drawings and add more things to the inside. And we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.